All right, you guys, today I'm going to be reviewing Masterbooks Academy Spanish for you all. I'm going to give you a walkthrough on their online platform just so you can get a feel for the curriculum, see if it's working for you. I am, if you have missed it, doing a Spanish review series where I am reviewing multiple Spanish curriculums. I'm going to release most of them individually just in case, because I know some of you are like, I don't want to see everything, I just want to see this particular curriculum. So I'm doing it for you guys who are like that, but then I'm also going to do it as a comparison review. So you're going to see all of these reviews combined up into one video, and then I'll have screenshots and everything, like comparing prices and time spent and things like that, just so you can get an idea of what will work for you, what will not. I'm going to go ahead and flip around the camera, give you guys that walkthrough, and hopefully it'll be helpful. All right, you guys, so this is the Masterbooks Academy Beginning Spanish for Families. At the time of filming, this is $89.95, and you get access to it for 1 year. And I'm going to have this link down below in case you want to check it out, see if it feels like it's right for your family. One of the nice things about this curriculum is it is geared towards all ages. It's geared, like it says, for families. So you can do this with everybody in tow, from toddler to high schooler. This is just really flexible in its approach. So as you can see, we got like, I think the first 2 lessons in, and then our year just got crazy, so we did not get to complete it. So I will answer questions to the best of my ability, but just because of how crazy things got, I didn't get to finish it. No judgment, okay? We listen and we don't judge. So one of the really great things is I did email Masterbooks and I said, hey, you know, I was pregnant when I first bought this, and my pregnancy was just really hard, and so we didn't get a chance to do it. And I know it's going to expire soon, so will you guys possibly, you know, extend it for me? And they said, yeah, we have no problem doing that. Just email us when it expires and we'll help you out. And I thought that that was such wonderful customer service and just so like phenomenal to work with families, because I mean, you guys know homeschool curriculum is not cheap and every penny matters. So if you don't get to finish a curriculum that has digital access, it kind of stinks on the budget. Now, sorry for that long-winded response. I just wanted you guys to know that, you know, if you don't possibly finish it, Masterbooks is pretty flexible depending on the situation, and they, you know, they might have some leniency with you. So with this, you're going to have a total of 12 units with anywhere from 3 to 7 lessons in each unit. And this is a video-based course. So you have a teacher going through it with you, walking your child step by step through it, which is really nice if you are not a native Spanish speaker. Now, prior to signing up, you do get a free preview of Unit 1, and you can go through that, watch the videos, see some of the printables that you can do, and kind of get a feel for it before you commit to it. Now, as you can see on the left-hand side, so right here is just a course overview. It goes over some of the cultural components, the content, some of the activities, and all of that. So like right here, it says most videos are 90% in Spanish, which provides maximum language exposure while making the input comprehensible due to the visual aids, links to prior knowledge in English, gestures, and other extralingual cues and supports. So that way your learners can interpret new linguistic cues and understand what is going on. And I really liked that from the few videos that we did get to take part in. And then it just goes over a little bit more information on the course. And then over here on this left-hand side is where you will actually access your content. So number 2 is what you do before you begin. Some of the things that you're going to print, cover pages if you want to make a little binder, table of contents, and the course guides for each section of the units that you can print out, as well as an answer key. And then after that, it jumps straight into the units. And so in this first unit, it goes over some Spanish that you may already know. It has a prayer to memorize in Spanish, and then the videos and activities for each of the lessons. After this, you're going to cover some hellos and goodbyes, numbers, expressions of politeness, colors, your family, emotions, beverages, hot chocolate, the calendar, and then it will end with a review and a reader's theater. And in the reader's theater is where you will combine everything that you have learned to do a fun story listening activity. And then you can even have the opportunity to do some course feedback. Now, as far as time, some of the lesson videos range anywhere from 8 minutes to 22 minutes. So as you can see right here, like lesson 1 is almost 12 and a half minutes, and then about 11 and a half minutes, 12 and a half minutes. So it's nothing that's, too wildly long that you're gonna struggle with or get bored with, or that's gonna be, overly challenging. Now, one of the things that might be a con to some of you is that these lessons are pre-recorded, so you won't be able to ask any questions. But they are, like I said, they're video-based lessons. So, it's really nice that... All right, so I just clicked on one of the videos just so you can get an idea, but I closed out the volume just so she wouldn't be talking over me, and then, copyright laws and all that. So, like I was saying, if you're not a native Spanish speaker, this is really great. Even though you can't ask questions, you at least get to hear how it's pronounced. You won't have any struggles in that area, and you kind of have somebody holding your hand and walking you along through the way. And if you do happen to have any questions, there is a Moms of Master Book Facebook group that is always so very helpful. And Master Books also has, like I said, wonderful customer service. If you do get stuck on anything, which I think it would be kind of hard to get stuck on something, but if you do, you can always reach out to them and, ask them for whatever help that you're needing, and I'm sure that they'll be able to provide it for you. So that is basically the end of the review. I'm going to go ahead and flip around the camera now. All right, you guys, so that is the end of the review. I hope that it was helpful to get a look inside the online platform, see how user-friendly it is, see just basically everything that the program and curriculum offers. It is very simple. Like I said, we didn't get through the whole thing just because last year was so wild, and I had every intention of starting it up this year, and there doesn't seem to be enough time. I think what I'm going to do is do Spanish during the summer. I feel like that is when we will have time, and then we'll be in such a rhythm and routine of doing it that hopefully we'll be able to finish a curriculum and just continue it forth when the next year starts. So that is it. Make sure that you have hit that red subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can get a notification when I post the comparison review. Hopefully that will be helpful for all of you who are like, oh, I don't know, they all seem so good. I tell you, like reviewing all of these curriculums, I'm like, man, I should use this one, and I get sold on that one, and then I review another and I'm like, oh, I get sold on this one, and they're all just so wonderful. So I know it's hard, but hopefully some of these reviews are helping you guys to see what you want to use. Like I mentioned, I will have this posted down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you again later. Bye.